Hello everyone, my name is Sunita Desar. I am the president of WIMA Nepal, the newly formed division of Women International Motorcycling Association. Being a woman in Nepal can be challenging when it comes to living our passion and taking up an activity traditionally reserved to a men. Even in the 21st century, many women cannot come out and simply do what they love. That's why at WIMA Nepal we use motorcycles as vehicles for change, their own lives on two wheels. But today I would like to share with you a particular achievement that was made possible thanks to you, the biking community, both local and international. I, along with 3 other women, led the first all Nepalese female group ride to Upper Mustang. It means so much for us because by tackling one of the most remote regions of the world and challenging ride, we raised awareness that women are strong and do anything they want. Because for the first time, we gained visibility and credibility on the local sense thanks to our international sponsors. And most importantly, because we realized that we are not alone, that many women across the world understand and support us. I would like to share with you a few elements with you about this ride. We rode from Pokhara to Lomanthan and up to the Kerala Chinese border, a total distance of around 900 kilometers in 6 days. It was our first off-road experience and the first time we were on the road away from our families for so long. Thanks to the additional money raised through crowdfunding, we distributed school stationeries and sanitary pads to 22 girls at Jomsom school. We encouraged them to study hard and do the things they want to do in their life. We had a few breakdowns and I had to ride with a punctured tire. The conditions were tough, but feeling this sense of achievement every day made it all worth the pain. Sharing our feelings and experience at the night amongst ourselves, but also the rural people welcoming us was just amazing. As Nepalese women, for the first time we get to explore our country, to visit historical caves, temples and learn more about the cultures of Upper Mustang. It was heartwarming to feel amazement and encouragement from all the people we met. Along the way, being able to inspire them was so motivating for us. So, thank you so much to all of you who encouraged us with kind words and sponsored our tour. Our mission was to encourage women to come out from their comfort zone and live freely, following their passion. I believe we did so much and more. Thank you.